Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside in the snow? Come on. You ready? You ready to go out there? Gosh. Come on. We got a blizzard going, guys. See you up at the barn. Serious frickin' snow. Holy cow. Broke out the snow boots. Come here, you crazy dog. Almost there. Hi, boys. Jack and Johnny. So donkeys are desert animals. They do not like the snow. Get them all this fresh straw and they shit in it. Gotta come out here in 1-degree weather and scoop their poop. Thanks a lot, guys. You guys think cleaning out a litter box for a cat's bad. What about for donkeys? Yeah, hold on. So what we gotta do multiple times. Grab this hay bag and fill it. Hay trough is empty. Spend a couple $100 on some hay. Protect your investment with your garden plastic. Alright, so I gotta get into this hay and break it up and stuff this hay bag. And it's literally about 3 degrees out in a blizzard. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that on my own. And see you guys later.